How to fix TikTok creator tools not showing. So if you want to fix your TikTok creator tools not showing, then first things first, you need to head over to your TikTok and get logged into your account. Once you do so, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the bottom, and then go with the three horizontal lines, which will be in the top right, and go with settings and privacy. Now scroll all the way below, and here you will see an option of free up space. Once you find it, you need to tap on free up space and then go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. Tap on clear, and after clearing your cache, you can go back and then scroll below, and you'll find an option of report a problem, or tap on help center. From there, tap on report a problem. After that, you can select creator tools or select any other under the section. Go with need more help, which will be in the bottom. And here you need to go and chat with the TikTok live support. Type in that even after doing everything that you can, you're not being able to see the TikTok creator tools option, and send it to the TikTok live support chat. And TikTok live support will help you on how you can resolve your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.